All right, we have all the metal pieces. I'm not going to count them, but they're all here. We have the tent itself, and you have what's called the fly, which goes over the tent. All the rods, hardware, have this bungee interior, so they just snap together really nicely, just like this. Yeah, there's no struggle whatsoever. So you start with this piece. We're going to do it broadside like this, and you put, see it has a little L shape on one end, that goes up top and curves in to the receiving, the female end, just like so. It's definitely a little easier if you have two of you. You can see that Mom is putting that piece together while I hold this. All right.
I'm gonna hold this.
So Karen's going to hold it. You then take the tent itself. The bottom of the tent is aqua colored. It's a strong color. You spread it out. Each one of these corners of the tent has a ring and a receiving rod. And you put that rod up into the metal brace. I just ate a bug.
Welcome to camping.
The next one goes inside that one. The next one goes inside this one. This is really, really easy. It's a backpacking tent. It's designed to go up in minutes. Here's the last one. So the brace is on the outside of the tent. Contrary to what you would expect, you'd expect the brace to be on the inside. Nope, it's on the outside. Then you take these plastic clips, hang them. This one goes on the center, right inside the brace. This one goes here. This one goes here. I'm just going to check to see if you can actually see what we're doing. I'm going to turn it just a little bit. There you go. Okay.
Then we take the fly.
Yep. Wait, pull it back a little bit because this is almost going off the screen. Okay. The fly goes over top. There is a hook halfway through the, not down the corner, but halfway through the top. It hooks on here. Karen's going to hook hers on that side. And see this hook goes right around the ring at the base. Same thing on this side. And your tent is up.
You can move it wherever you want
You
to.
can move it to wherever you want. You can make it, find a level spot, a dry spot. And then, I don't really have to explain to you how the little stakes go in the ground. If it's windy out, you probably want to stake it down. But if it's not windy, probably your stuff inside is going to keep it from going anywhere. But the braces obviously are going to go through these clips, and you just pound them into the ground with a rock or your feet or whatever. It is good to have this out because if it rains, the idea is the fly doesn't touch the tent inside. The tent inside, as soon as that gets wet, you can get condensation and you start getting drips inside. The idea is this is where the water hits and it keeps your inside dry. Oh, I'm sorry. See this right here? Those clip to each other. Let me do this over again. This clips to here, and then you're going to bring it out and drive it into the ground. And you'll find, just by doing that, there's more room on the inside of the tent. Okay? So it's a nice little simple tent. Not expensive, but it's really, really easy. Bye.
Happy camping.
Happy camping.